Hello, today we're going to look at fixing the Median Acquire laptop. It's been having a few problems recently, so we've had the back off, had a look inside, took out the bits that we don't need, but I think with a few adjustments we might be able to get it working. So let's just stand it over here while I get my tool. Oh dear, I hit summer. As you can see, I've already been trying to fix it, quite unsuccessfully, but I'm hoping this one will work. As you can see, I did break a tool earlier trying to fix it. It happens. No, still not turning on. It went straight through and out the other side, but still